welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for coming by. If you're new here, welcome. If you're returning, welcome back. It's a vlog, guys. It's been a long time coming, but finally we have a really cool, fun, interesting vlog that I've always wanted to share with you. So this past weekend we went to an outlet mall called Seravalle. So if you've been following me for some time, you know that last year I went to Vico Lungo, one of the outlet malls, also around not so far, I think half an hour from Milan, or 40 minutes thereabout. So in this vlog, taking you to a mall. I'm taking you to Seravalle designer outlet, and here you are able to save up to 70%. There is all the luxury designer brands that maybe someone is looking for. There are over 200 stores in that Seravalle designer outlet. And if you're looking at saving, or if you have some of the brands that you've been eyeing, luxury brands, this is a really cool place to go. It's fun. There is a kids area. There is so much. So I really hope you guys enjoy. And also I bought some stuff and I'm going to unbox here with you. So stick around. Seravalle is actually one of the biggest outlet malls, designer outlet malls, if that makes sense, in Europe. And if you're looking to maybe visit one day, if you're looking to visit Italy one day, or you are around Europe, this is a really cool place to visit. And if you have a family like myself, you're going to have fun. There is so much fun, so many activities, even for kids and stuff, so many shops, middle class, high-end designer. You can find everything under one roof. I'm telling you, it's amazing. I had fun. I saved a lot. I picked some few items, as I told you, and I can't wait for you guys to see them with me. So I'm going to do an unboxing in this video. All right, so watch till the end and let me know. And don't forget to like, subscribe if you haven't already, comment down below and let me know which one is your favorite item amongst what I have unboxed. So let's get started. Hey guys, so I'm going to Seravalle. So as you can see, this is where we had our snack, and yeah, I'm going to show you around. There is a lot of shops, obviously, so I'll show you around and let's go. planned my trip to Seravalle, I wanted to buy a few items, especially for me, because I was looking for items that I can save, and I've been looking for these items at the shops and even online. They are a bit pricier, so I decided to try the designer outlet and see if I'm able to, you know, save something. You know, I'm all about the bargain, and yeah, so I wanted some of these bags. They're functional, so I wanted a bag. So I wanted a bag that I can put my computer, and this is the bag. So this is the Coach, it's called Coach Gallery something, and it's just a simple yet really nice. It's grain leather, and it is just a functional bag, because sometimes I have meetings and I'm wondering, I don't want to like have two bags. I want just one bag that can, you know, have it all, and also have a zipper that I don't have to, you know, let's say I'm taking a train and I just need everything inside closed, and that's it. So this is the bag that I got from Coach, and this bag was, I think, 60% off, if I'm not wrong. I'm going to confirm that. And I was so happy that I got this at that price. So this was the first bag I wanted. It's just a simple, nice bag. I don't like this kind of a bag, but it's going to serve the purpose very well, especially for my computer. I have my documents and stuff, and you know, just like that, and you're gone. So that's the first bag. So Coach, I bought 2 bags from Coach. The other bag I got was this one here. I know you can all tell that I've always eyed the Louis Vuitton Neverfull, and I feel like it's above my budget for right now, and I felt like I want how can I say, I wanted a bag for this season, like summer season, and as a mom, I'm looking where I can just put everything together inside, you know, and I am good to go. So this is a good option for me, and because Coach has really good the fabric, this is canvas, it's amazing, it's a nice one, and I'm going to love this one. This is a really cute one, so I'm going to have this one. And the last bag I got, and I also like the color, the pink and the brown really blends together, and then it's just a shoulder bag and you're good to go. Let's say you're going to the beach, or you're going around maybe to see stuff. So this is just going to be a really cool and easy bag to carry around when I am just, you know, going around. It's a really nice one, and I like the shape, the color. Inside it has a pocket. Let me show you. Inside it has a pocket like so, and it's just like a really nice and it has the ticket. It's a cute one. This one was, I think, also discounted, but not that much like the previous one. This one, I think I got it at 30% off, which is okay, because I really like it. It's cute, right? One that really struck my eyes is this bag. I've always wanted to have a Michael Kors bag, but in brown. And this one here is a Hamilton, and it's they told me it's a Hamilton woven leather, and this one was a limited edition, and I like it. I feel like it's giving what it should give, you guys. Can you see that? I think my camera is not even. I'll try and take some photos and send and place them here. So it's brown and woven leather, and then it has, you know, it has a really nice brown color with the gold accessories, hardware, and this. I like the chain. Like, it's like an extra bag, like it's so extra in itself. I wanted a bag that can fit in my price range, and this was a good option, especially because it was just released. It's a new edition and I like it. It's a really nice one. It's cute, it's giving what it should give. I'm just seeing myself having this bag, like, you know, when you're dressed up, you know, it's just a cute one. Tell me guys down below, what do you think? What do you think about this bag? These are the 3 bags I bought. So I bought 2 coat bags, one like a big tote, and then the other one for my computer, which is very functional. I don't need anything fancy. And then this, Michael Kors Hamilton, is the one that it's extra, you guys. I'm just seeing myself wearing this with, I don't know, a white dress, some nice sandals, a sun hat, and you know, I can't wait, you guys. The wrap, guys, we have reached to the end of the video. I really hope you guys enjoyed. Let me know by liking this video, or if you don't like it, you can give it a thumbs down. I really hope you enjoyed this one. Comment down below, let me know which of the items is your favorite, and I will see you in my next video. Let me know if you want me to do another vlog of maybe another of Milan, and I'll be glad to do that. Now the weather is so good, you can see from the flowers of my top. I love spring. Spring is my favorite season. I keep saying this. I feel like I say this every single video. And I think I'm going to say it because I like it. My mood is always like up. I am happier around this time and I love it. I truly love it. Okay, so I'll see you in my next one. Stay true, stay blessed. Love you. Ciao.